For accelerated development and better transformation of Ogun State to a greater height, one of the sons of Ijebu land, Otunba Adeleke Adetunji Oredipe, has declared his intention to contest for the governorship seat in Ogun State in 2027 under the platform of All Progressives Congress (APC). Anthony Gandono witnessed the declaration held at Eagle Square ground of Ijebu North-East Local Government, Aton, Ijebu, and complete the report.
Such as people living with disabilities, representatives of Igbo community in Ijebu, traditional rulers and associates, the declaration of Otunba Adetunji Oredipe was an avenue for them to tell the public those secret deeds of Otunba Oredipe and how he positively touches their lives, and stressed their trust in his ability to deliver the state if given the mandate in 2027.
He have to be here and all other them, because what he have been doing for us during December period, you celebrate Christmas with us, and we really appreciate it.
Governance is not something you just find yourself in. You learn it. He has learned governance at national level and at international level. That is the kind of a person that we need at the ends of affairs in Ogun State.
Oredipe, I know him long time ago. So anytime we meet him, all of us will go happy. He's a nice person to us.
We are supporting you because I have a lot of people around you that are related to me, and they are saying very good and wonderful things about you. And I'm trying to tell you that hold on where you are, keep doing the good works, and make sure you carry your people along.
Market women, youths and members of the All Progressives Congress APC groups were also not left out in their support as they converged to witness the declaration. With the slogan, "Onward to Opportunity OTO," the convener, Dr. Adetunji Oredipe, walked to the podium amidst cheers from the public to address the crowd, mostly members of APC and leaders of the party, as well as well-wishers, on why he called for the gathering. Appreciating God for the day, as well as past and present political leaders, particularly governors, for their transformative efforts since the creation of Ogun State, Otunba Oredipe promised to build on the existing master plan if given the mandate.
I'm offering myself as the next level of solution. I'm coming from the angle of people agenda. What is in there for the people in the rural community? What's in there for the people who are supposed to take advantage of all the infrastructure that have been put in place? I'm going to put myself at the finish line. What we need now is to get close to the people, get into all our communities to make sure that I have access to basic means of livelihood.
The APC governorship aspirant, who honked the success of his aspiration to God's approval and people's support, appealed to the people to seize the opportunity of the continuous voters registration exercise ongoing to get their voters card. In Ijebu, Anthony Gandono, NTA News.